Hey guys, so today I'm building something simple but insanely useful. So I'm controlling a DC motor using a mobile phone wirelessly and with Wi-Fi, and I'm doing it with an ESP32. And the best part, there is no app required. You can just open up your browser and control the motor from a web page. This is basically a foundation of a robot arm or a smart door lock or anything that you want to control over Wi-Fi. So for this project, you will be needing ESP32. Here I'm using a ESP32 dev kit v1, and then you will be needing a motor driver. I am using the L298N. For the power source, a 6-volt power source. Here I am using a breadboard for wiring things up. I'm using a DC motor and some jumper cables to wire everything up. So I just want to let you guys know that on the motor driver, if you look closely on the ENA output, you will see a cap placed on it. If you want to control the motor speed, you should remove the cap. In this case, I'll not be working on the motor speed, so I'll just keep the cap on. So here is everything after wired up. You can just open the description and you will find the wiring details there. So I have connected the DC motor with two male jumper wire and also put a scotch tape so that we can see the movement of the motor. Now I have connected the ESP32 with the data transfer cable, and I am using my laptop to program it. So what you have to do in order to program it, you have to use the Arduino IDE. Then you have to select the board and the port. Then I'll just copy and paste the code here, and you can get this code from the description. Here is the name of your Wi-Fi connection and the password. You can change it if you want. Then after the code has been uploaded, what you have to do is take your device and go to your Wi-Fi setting and find the name that you have used. Then put the password in and then hit the join, and then go to a browser and hit that web page. And yes, here you can see we have got all the control of forward, backward and stop. So as we haven't worked on the speed of the motor, so it might be hard for you guys to notice that if the motor is going forward or backward. But if you look closely, then you will see that the motor stops after a few seconds after I hit one of the control on the screen. And also if we hit the stop button, the motor stops. So that's all for today. If you guys have any question, let me know on the comment section. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.